Humphrey here again. Let's learn how you can apply one effect on a clip to all other clips in your timeline. Let me show you. Say I have this clip brought into the timeline, this clip also into the timeline, and then that into the timeline. Okay. If I take or make any effect on this particular clip here, I mean this video, it only stays on this video. But then there is a way that you can make that particular effect affect all these other clips in a timeline. Let's learn. So to make the effect affect all the clips in the timeline, let's just select this clip, okay? Click on this and then click on adjustment. And then say we increase the temperature from this point to say make it more colder. Okay, you can see the effect on the video here. Let's increase the tint. Let's increase saturation. Oh, that's not good, but no problem. We are studying. Let's increase exposure or reduce exposure. No, let's increase exposure, increase contrast, and then do some other things to it. Increase the white balance, the blacks. I mean, all these changes you're doing only affects this video, okay? But what if we want to have those same effects affect this clip, and so on, okay? What you simply do is come down here, you can see apply all. So just click on apply all, and as you can see, apply to all clips. Meaning if I move my playhead onto this, you can see the same effect has affected all the clips in the timeline, right? I will show you another way you can easily do this. The other method is to simply group the clips together, okay? So let me delete this first. Clear them, then bring them back again so that we don't see any of the effects that we did previously, okay? So watch this. If I click on this clip, I can easily move it around, okay? Individually. I can also move this around individually. But what we are going to do is click on the first clip, hold the control key down, select this and select that. You realize we have selected all three. Right click and then choose group. Okay, what you have done is we have now merged all three clips together. So if I click and drag, you realize all three goes together, right? So now go ahead and click adjustment, make all your changes to it, and it will affect all the videos you have actually selected. If you found this video helpful, please click on the like button, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment. Bye bye.